Hi everyone, today I am going to create one of the .NET application and that will be deployed using the Docker. So let's start for that. I just created the one .NET Core API and I enable the Docker, and that's why you can see we have this Docker file coming. And apart from this, we also have a manual option in the VS Code or in the command prompt in the PowerShell. We can create all the stuff as a manually and run our application in the Docker. So for that we have I will create another video for that, but for this just giving a short span of time is a high level how you would deploy your .NET Core API application in the Docker. So this will be coming as a standard structure file. Come to the Docker file, you can see we have this command. Basis on this command, when we are building our application, when we are building our Docker container, so that syntax or that this statement will be coming. Basis on that, that will be building and compiling and uh, running our application in the particular specific code. You can see we have this from which version we are using, 6.0. So that's why this name is coming here, and in which port that will be running. Our working directory app expose 80 expose 443 means one of the port for the container, one of the like where our application will be going to running. Apart from this, we have normal this .NET restore file. The CS project file is a main file. Because of this, we are creating our Docker file. And always see you have to be create this Docker file when we are creating a manually. Keep D capital, because of that if you are keeping the small d, it will be creating a error. Okay, so after that .NET Restore, we are just giving our CS project file, because what the .NET target, what the .NET framework we are targeting, that is taking from the CS project file. So after this we have this copy, then working directory source, then we have to build, and after this we have to build this CS profile with the help of this command cd build, and after building we have to be publish. This will be going to publish. Okay, and from the base as a final working directory our app, and from which we have to be take our file, and that will be like from the publish folder. That's why here giving like from the target, copy from location to target, it is like from publish to app publish file, and entry point is like our application file name .dll. So this is the command which we are using to building our application in the Docker purpose. So just I am clearing and running this application Docker command. Up, After this I will also create manually. Just wait for the some minute. You can see all the output we can see here. This is the port number. Okay. Okay, so you can see our application name is web application 4. I have my Docker desktop, so we can see this Docker containing this application name or not. So click on this. You can see it is like 9 minutes ago created, and our application name is web application. Okay, I'm just stopping my solution to check container. Okay, I have to be go. I have to go in this file, and you can see we have our application in this folder. So just go with that folder and open the command prompt, and after that you just check what is the image, or sorry, what is the container you have. So just type this docker ps command. You can see we have this container id 9 and images, command created, status up to template, and port number on which it is running. So you can see we have 32770 as I already uh, display or showing my application where it is running. Okay. So right now I stopped, so that's why. But yeah, so we have to see the what is the images we have. Just type these images. Okay, I have this web application 4 image and this one my old one. Okay, if I want to create the or update the new, so we can also have command to create the new container or run on the new port. Not like mapping port, I can say. If already some port is used, we have to be assigned in another port. Sorry, ls. And if you want to remove this ASP .NET Core app, use first you have to be like use that stop command. First you have to be stop ASP, sorry, docker image. I have to first stop the docker image, docker container, then image, docker ps. Okay, okay, so docker, we have this container id. I want to remove, then I can type this only. First we have to be stop docker stop 61b1. Okay, this is stop, so I can again type docker psa excited. You can see this two is like in the excited. We can remove this one, docker rm 61b1. We can remove the multiple container at same time. Just type this container id, then we have next is b7f33. Okay, so this two is removed. Again we can see with the help of docker ps command. Okay, so right now we have only this web application 4 running, which is in our docker. Come here, you can also see, just refreshing. Okay, I have to be check all the, so you can type a, and this is for the like removing the container. And if you want to remove the images also, you have this clone command. Using that you can remove it, prune. But I don't have to be removed, so I'm not using this one. But if you have to remove, you can use that one. Okay, so after this, we when we have to create anything, like create any new docker container, so how we can create? I am giving the command, just type that. Okay, I just want to discuss like if I have to create any new images or a new container, so we can create. And you can see I have this ASP.NET Core app and the My app, and similarly we have this web application 4 in the dev. Similarly in the web application 4. So if I have to create anything regarding that, just type that command, docker run default detachment, port number, name on that container, and the images. But I want to go in this web application 4, application 4, my spelling mistake, sorry, I just typed the small one. I think I will just copy this. This command basically using to run our application. Docker images. Okay, so our repository is small. Sorry, I just you can see our have images container ID ASP.NET Core app that is running the 4 minute ago, and similarly for this web application here. Similarly, for we have rm command for removing the container and stop container and remove the images purpose. We have docker rm qs dollar the image ID or image name you can use. So yeah, that's it for the today. I think you got the idea how you deploy your application with the help of Docker container in the Docker. Thank you.